Because they said this is fertilizer. Correct, because me so. You start ready? And don't make the phone them come out. Today I am raking up fowl poop and sawdust from inside my mother's fowl coop. So I am cleaning it, and it had a mountain in here from not being maybe scooped up for years now. So I am hard at work getting some fertilizer, which I will be dumping on the plants that are on the side. Okay. Hello. Song you want to listen to? And I am done cleaning the coop, feeding the chickens, fertilizing some of the plants around the yard, and now I am gathering some crocus bags together to go get some sawdust. So that's it for the Paarl for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please join us for another video next time. I don't know what I will be doing, but I hope it will be something that you like. Thank you.